Good morning to all the engineer or mini engineer who's in me today. Thanks for joining me in the new chapter of the engineering. Today we will focus on one roboticals. If you had the possibility, you put need of the robot or bionic organs, also called artificial in the future, would you learn the process and access this possibility. The idea is that you answer it at the end, and the program science we will the great explanation about the wonderful wish of the engineer.
Correctly, Mafi. We will talk about robotics and we will give very relevant information about it. Good morning to everyone. I am David and today I will collaborate with Mafi to explain this engineering and how you can make homemade robots.
Thank you very much, David. It's a pleasure to have in their program. Could you explain on the visuals and me what consists or what is the robotic?
Of course, it will be pleasures. This is a technique which is used both in the design and in the construction of robots or devices that perform activities similar to human labor.
The main goal is the self dressing and building machine that makes easy for the human through intelligence.
Exactly. I thought in order for use to build a good intelligent machine, we must learn to assemble device and program them.
If I studied robotics, how could I help the world in future?
What is the very question? Through the robot, you can collage with the construction and the build of the machine that help the human in different work activities, and you can help generate and the new discover or science creation.
In the same way, you can create your own machines that can contribute something positive to society.
Continuing with the programs, Mr. David, you could tell us which shell components we need the construction the robot.
If you want to build robot, you must take into account the parts. For example, the arms, grids, legs according to what you want, but specifically so that it can fulfill its functions. It is important to have the mechanical structure. It allows them to give the moment transmissions, allow articulate movement. Actual Actuators are responsible for transformation and regulation energy. Sensory system responsible for giving the robot information about its own state control system responsible for regulation the behavior of the robot and final effects how it interacts in different environments.
Thank you very much, Mr. David. Sir, let the audience has some question.
What is the objective of this work?
The goal you want to reach by designing and creating robot is to make the life of a human easier. Science not only robots can be created to do the work of humans, but also robots for disabled people. Science, what do you want to achieve in a disabled person is that they feel comfortable and as if they were their own part of the body with their prosthetics.
Someone else wants ask Mr. David.
Could you show you some of your projects?
Speaking of which, today I brought a project that you can easily build at home. This is a car made car, cardboard driven with a 4,500 RPM motor and the movement is made by pulley. I will show you how it works.
There is another study that performs analysis with technology that benefits the human being.
If you are very interested in technology and the science, you can study biomedicine. Scientists will teach you how put parts of the body and you save important person life.
Miss Muffy, could you explain to me and to the audience what is biomedicine?
I will be the pleasure. Biomedicine is a clinical medicine if you base it on physical and biochemical third part human body can you bolt with a metal as short as titanium and steel. Thank you very much behind the alternative. Today the chapter. Thank you, Mr. David. I'll end the program and see you the next chapter.